Hello. Today I would like to show you one of my two actually of my vintage Barbies. These are Mattel's basic Barbies. They were sold in like grocery stores and back in the 1970s, early 1970s. This is it's for 1975. Okay, it was before I was born at least. So it's quite a time ago. These were like the Barbies that were sheep, like the sheep kind of Barbies, and their knees don't bend, and they're like they have like this sheep feeling to it. They are very light, but they're not hollow. They're not hollow, but you can see they are a bit lesser quality. And she has this really cute, is it PJ face? The hair is still super soft, but it's not as thick as they used to be back in the day. They have like bald spots like this, but this is these are like real Barbie dolls. I have seen like online on eBay and such that maybe it's like a fake, like a clone or something, but it is not. And I had the fortune to get the two at once. I got like two packages at once, so I don't have the other package for this one that I have opened, and but one is still in this one, and it's like just a paper package like this, and it says it's from 1975, Mattel Inc. Horton, made in the Philippines, from Hong Kong, package printed in Hong Kong. I don't know if the doll is from Hong Kong as well. For the collectors, first numbers, and it says like movable arms and legs in different languages. And on the other one I have the actual, like on the other package I have the actual price tag. It said it said like Konsum 1995, and it means like it's like a Swedish crowns. It's not dollars. It's but like $2 maybe, one. And then I will not remove the plastic because look, she has her legs is even more like spread like this. I will not remove the plastic because I want one still in a package like this, but the other one also had plastic on her hair. But her face is so beautiful, and it's so cute. It's like a, when maybe one went with like mom and dad or the family or friends or whatever, like oh, my dog is awake. Now maybe on a car ride, and you went to the gas station and they had a Barbie doll, and it's like just a paper clip. Hey, Lucas. Like a paper box like this, and maybe they had a doll on display or something. I don't know. I got these from, I think it was in like online salesperson sold off for a collection. Hey, Lucas. Oh, Lucas is here. Hey, Lucas. Could you say hey? Lucas, tita. He doesn't want to be in. Hey, Lucas. No. Oh, I don't want him to eat the dolls, but okay, he's cute. Wait. Okay. He wants me to, we will go on a walk soon. It's about 6 in the morning right now, so I will soon go out with him. But I just wanted to show this these like basic Barbie dolls, and okay. So make a short video of it, and show like it's an original Barbie, and from Mattel, and made in Philippines, printed in the package printed in Hong Kong, they're made in the Philippines, and they sit like this, like, well, their legs are okay. Who cares? Okay. So, okay, well, goodbye.